What's up, guys?
I'm wearing granny shoes.
InfiniteLists here.
InfiniteLists?
I don't know if you guys like this kind of stuff, but maybe you do.
I hate it, it's disgusting.
I used to walk these roads with you. Can't remember the last time I went without you.
I can explain.
You look so weird.
Why didn't we just go around the table?
It's better to go on the table. Like, look, you're in all black, and then you have white socks and sandals, guys. We're gonna do fidget spinner versus cliff. You see that? Giant cliff.
No, it's not.
It's pretty big. I'm gonna go out here. I'm gonna spin it really fast. I hope you can hear me. We're gonna see the damage.
Cuts a tree in half. Whoa, dude.
Almost fell and died. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh!
You okay?
Let's go see the damage. I threw the fidget spinner all the way down here. Oh, I see it. Ah! Jesus. There it is. Alright, it's really dusty. Still works though. That looks so sick. Holy crap, dude. She's scared of a duck.
I'm scared of all animals.
Hello? Hello?
Where do I go from here? Where do I go?
I'm falling.
Okay.
I'm falling.
No, you're fine.
I'm falling.
You're fine. No, you're fine.
We are going to that bridge.
Where do I go from here?
Why are you so energetic?
I always am, dude. It is.
Let's take a funny one now. Please don't do anything dumb. Babe, no! Okay, get down now.
Subscribe.
I used to walk these roads with you. Can't remember the last time I went without you.
My body's a bug body.
Without you. I used to walk these roads with you. Can't remember the last time I went without you. Where do I go? Where do I go?
Oops, I pushed him.
How will I know? How will I know?
Wait. Thumbnail. My girlfriend pushed me.
No. No. Clickbait. Okay, guys. Let's do fidget spinner versus real cliff. On 3, 2, 1. Boom. Let's do it, guys. Better get this.
Yay! I don't know where it is.
It's right there.
Where?
We can go check it out. You want to go find it?
Sure.
Let's see what happened to it, guys. Let's go.
No! You just sacrificed a fidget.
Yeah, I know. You guys see it? Guys, it's right there. Oh my gosh. It's right there. Oh my gosh, I'm going so fast. Freaking shorts. Push, please. Oh! Oh my god! This is stupid. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching this little vlog type video. It's my first vlog on this channel. I don't know, I honestly just wanted to try it, and I hope you guys do like this. If you guys do like this type of video, definitely drop a like. If this gets like 5,000 likes, I'll make more kind of videos like this. Also, I know you guys like fidget spinners and stuff, so I am giving a lot away, and all you guys have to do is literally just be subscribed, turn on notifications, and comment down below saying that you did that, and I'll ship these straight to your house to a bunch of people who do that. So literally just do all those steps and you will get your own fidget spinner. But if you just want to buy one, I will also have a link below, fidgetspins.com. They partnered with me to give you guys some fidget spinners for 5% off. Use code INFINITE5. 5% off, and you can get your own fidget spinner. So that'll be the first link in the description. Also, I'm giving away fidget spinners on my Twitter as well. So you guys have a lot of opportunities to get a fidget spinner. Go to my Twitter, definitely give me a follow, and tweet me saying fidget spinner, and I will pick some of you guys who do that to get your own fidget spinner. And I'm guessing not a lot of people are gonna do that, so definitely go do that and you'll probably have a good chance. Yeah guys, that should end off this video. Definitely drop a like if you guys like this type of video, and yeah guys, I will see you guys later. Peace.